Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to share project on CapCut PC. So here, as you can see, if we open a project, basically, you don't have any buttons here that you can find specific buttons where you can share this project to another PC. But what you're going to do right here is basically find the saved location of this file. So if we click on the blank space right here, you'll find the file location right here at the top where this files is saved. So basically you just need to find it on your computer folder or computer files and just need to copy that and send to another PC. So that's how you can easily find that folder and try to open it to another computer. Now if you click on the modify option right here at the bottom right, so basically if you click on this one, you have another option here to import materials. You can basically click on copy to project or keep in original place. So you have many ways here on how you can share your project on PC. So basically the best way here is find the location of this file on your computer and you're gonna copy and send that to another PC. And that's it. That's how you basically share project on CapCut PC. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.